Hi guys, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with a short tutorial how to wire wrap stones. I thought this will be quick and easy tutorial and maybe you can use it in your jewelry. So all you needed is a piece of this one actually 18 gauge, but you can use also 16 gauge, and 24 will be for wrapping. Let's see how long. For this kind of bead I use almost 9 inches. So all you have to do is, and I will wrap this stone, so you use I do a little frame around the bead. So then your bead will sit freely inside there. And to add stability to your wire, always hammer. Oops, sorry. It will be stronger frame now. Take your 24 gauge anchor it on one side. It doesn't matter where you want it. So I do roughly 2-3 wraps. Cut excess. Now put your bead on the way how you want it, the right way. So we put bead. And anchor on the other side. Same. Now you hold it and just wire wrap. You can always push that later. Just try to do the tight, very tight. Now you go into the top. That's basically what you should have. Later you can adjust with the pliers and make it squish a little bit. So we anchor here and go all the way to the top and wrap it together. Two times or so. Now your work is to wire wrap all the way down. And you're going again to the top. 1, 2. You can squish a little bit all your project as much as you can. See, when I wire wrap this one, they all different honestly sizes, but you can make it less wraps on the bottom that I did here. But when you tarnish it, it looks so cool. And also you can twist those wires a little bit. Now all you have to do, create your bail with the bail pliers. You do one, same. If you don't have it, you can use your round nose pliers. So one, you don't need 2 wires on the top. I nicely chop band of this here. And with this wire, you want to make decorative little swirl. All you have to use your round nose pliers. Start it a little bit at the end. Because it's on the front, you want to cut some of the wire here. And continue wrapping with the, continue making circle, swirl, so it looks nicely. And if you feel like you want to anchor it somewhere here, it's not really necessary. Just push it nicely. And I will wrap behind the swirl and cut. It's very easy and simple way to wire wrap stones that's sort of irregular, plus you will have that little like rim around. They look cool when you tarnish your pieces, polish a little bit. I like the effect. So they can be used for your long necklaces. You can go on top with all kinds of links. They all were drilled on the side, so that's why I use that method. You go down, then you go up all the way to the top and wire wrap to the meet them, make a swirl. I hope you guys will enjoy that and make some cool stuff using the simple technique. Thanks for watching.